Donating blood is a life-saving habit. We are now calling all generous blood donors. If you are interested in starting a new healthy habit, consider donating blood. Meron po tayong gaganaping blood donation activity September 13, 2023 at Walter Mart, Cabanatuan City from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Donating blood is safe and easy. So meron po tayong pre-medical check-up of your blood pressure, temperature, hemoglobin, blood type, and screening of HIV, syphilis, hepatitis, at iba pa pong mga sakit. Mabilis lang po yan. It takes only less than an hour dahil 15 minutes lang po yung pagkuha ng dugo. Ang dugong ibibigay nyo ay napakahalaga dahil problema po ng Pilipinas ang supply ng dugo dahil kinukulang na ito para sa mga nangangailangan tulad ng may mga cancer, aksidente, inoperahan at organ transplant. So what are the reasons to donate blood? Una, makakatulong po tayo sa iba. Giving blood is one of the most selfless things you can do. It burns calories, about 650 calories, while donating 1 pint of blood. Donating blood can help improve your heart health and it lowers your risk of heart attack. It also improves well-being, can reduce stress and improves your emotional health. And who knows, you may need a blood donation one day. Hindi po natin alam yan. So if you are eligible to give blood, consider yourself among the chosen few. So God bless to our generous blood donors.